Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Sayam. I am a GoHighLevel expert. Today I am going to show you how you can customize or style your GoHighLevel calendar look. So, so this is the layout or the style, the default style for the GoHighLevel calendars. So if you want to like edit the style and match the GoHighLevel calendar with your branding. Or want to change the color scheme, we can definitely do that within the GoHighLevel. So for example, this is a calendar. Go to the customization option, and then at the end you will see insert custom code. So I have inspected the GoHighLevel calendar CSS classes. So I have created a code that target all the like classes. So we need to change the color. So this is our GoHighLevel calendar before the customization or before applying the CSS code. You can see I think it's looking much better. So if you want to uh, change the background or the colors of your GoHighLevel calendar and you want to make it look better, we can definitely do that. We can also target the hover classes or any of the other element in the GoHighLevel calendar.